Presenting the Xiaomi Wireless Home Security Camera 2i 2022 edition, Full HD picture, 360 view, 2MP, AI-powered motion detection, enhanced night vision vertical bar talk-back feature. It also features support advanced features like HIP6, TR069, VLAN, static routing etc. and QoS bandwidth limitation, restrict upload, download speed for individual client. It also features dual-band wireless router with 2 high-gain Omni antenna and 802.11a/b/g/n/AC standards with speed of 300 Mbps on 2.4 GHz and 867 Mbps on 5 GHz. Web browser-based setup and configuration with setup and easy installation. Product comes with standard brand warranty. For further information visit the product detail page.